Okay, so now that we have a deep understanding of our customer archetype, it's now time to have a little bit of fun, which is to go through a number of strategies that I use and recommend to uncover product ideas. And one of the most powerful and probably my best tool to uncovering product ideas is to really map the customer journey. So literally just taking that customer archetype for your brand and walking through their journey as a customer and uncovering every single potential product that they may purchase on that journey. So the key point of this video is to develop a methodology to walk through the customer's buying process, understand what they buy, and how they develop over time on their hero journey from, say, a beginner to an expert level on this customer archetype journey. So more directly, customer archetype buy stuff. All we want to do with this particular product strategy is to map what that is. So another way to look at this journey is to look at the customer as a beginner or newbie stage, and literally stair step, which could be months or years even, on their path to becoming a more expert or advanced level. And then literally what you want to do is look at this chasm, look at this gap, and uncover and list every possible product they may buy. And then note the reason and the budget and some other things for those different product ideas. So I've included a spreadsheet to map the customer journey and product ideas at the end of this series of modules. I'm actually going to go through an actual example so you can see this thing fully fleshed out. But basically, I've got an example here of say, a golfer. Maybe the first product that they buy is golf clubs. And they buy this either from the beginner stage all the way through to the expert. So it's not necessarily stage specific. Their purchase motivation for golf clubs is to hit better, more consistent, and farther. They'll typically spend about $1,000, and their purchase frequency is every 4 years. If I've got any other notes, I can include those. And literally all I'm going to do in this case of looking at a golfer is rifle through every single thing that they buy. So maybe they buy a bag, then they buy a putter, then they buy a glove, then they buy tees, they buy balls, they buy shoes, they buy a rangefinder. Like, we can kind of rifle off all these lists from very beginner level all the way to advanced. And coming out of that, you should have dozens upon dozens of customer archetype, customer journey, hero journey specific products that you can list out. Our goal here is not to edit these, not to think about which ones are good or bad, not to assume that they might not work on Amazon. We just want to literally brainstorm and dump all of these things on here. So no product ideas are a bad one with this particular exercise. Literally list everything, even if you don't think it's a fit. So one of the methods for uncovering product ideas is literally to map that customer journey and the products that they buy.